All right. I know that you guys are feeling it like I'm feeling it. And right now, where are the deals? Because I can't see them. I'm like that emoji like this. I don't see anything. So look, y'all. I thought, well, for starters, hello. If you're new here, and this is your first time seeing Lily Face right here, I am Shay. Shay with the pow. Definitely take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. So listen, y'all. I need like 15 for my weekend. And I was gonna do the cookies again, but they now exclude any grocery store. So, and that was gonna be 5. And I was gonna do another 3. So I would have had a high possibility of hitting it. And without the cookies, it ain't gonna happen. All right, so today is Sprouts. You read the title. We doing Sprouts. And I feel like I ain't been to Sprouts in a minute. And so I said, you know what, Shay? Let's do some Sprouts. And so I have a lot of good deals to share with y'all. And y'all know with Sprouts, we're always doing like freebies. So it's like we got WeStock.com. We got aisle.com. What else we got? We got socialnature.com, right? So we're going to use all 3 of those. What else am I doing? I think I have a few offers that are also on Ibotta as well. But that's pretty much what we're doing today, y'all. I really low-key want to low out of pocket. But the thing with these offers is that you gotta wait for your money. That's the thing that sucks. So I'm not going to do all of them, obviously. But I'll probably do, maybe I'll do some today. And then once I get that money back, hopefully tomorrow, we'll flip it and do some more. Just so that I'm not paying a whole lot at one time, which... yeah, it hurts. It hurts my soul. And so anyways, with that being said, we're going to share some deals at Sprouts. If you want to see what kind of awesome deals that I grabbed today, definitely hit the like button and keep on watching. All right, y'all. So this first deal is on the yerba mate. I couldn't find it at my particular location, but it is free after the aisle offer. And all my links will be in the Google Doc. All right, this is another one I couldn't find. I have gotten this one at Target before, and there's an offer for there too, but this one is specifically for Sprouts. And so I don't have a price point, but it is free after the WeStock offer. Next up is the Synergy. This is a free offer on aisle, and we'll have a link in the Google Doc, making this absolutely free. So next up is the Stez. I think that's how you pronounce it. These are buy one, get one free, price at $2.99. You'll pay that out of pocket. We also have a buy one, get one free offer for aisle as well. And so you'll pay $2.99. You'll get that back, making them both absolutely free. Right, next up is the Senso. These are 5 for $5. You just want to grab 3. We have an offer for aisle. It's buy 3, get 1 free. So you'll pay 3, you'll get back 1, making them like 66 cents each. I was a little on the fence with this deal since it isn't high out of pocket, but I figured, hey, I like coffee. And so I went ahead and grabbed the Everyday Dose, price at $19.99. You're going to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $39.98, getting back $19.99 for a buy one, get one free offer on aisle. There's also a BOGO offer for Social Nature as well, making them both free. All right, so next up is the Snack Mates. And they're priced at $6.99. It's buy one, get one 50% off. So you'll pay $10.49 for 2 of them. Now for this one, I did get credit for 3 of them, but I only got 2 from Ibotta. And then $3.78 from Merryfield. So it's going to make them both free plus a $3.01 moneymaker. I finally found the vegan chocolate bar. I told you with Sprouts, you're going to find stuff on an end cap. Always check the end caps. And it says price at $3.99. My account, I have a free offer for Social Nature. Joseph's account was buy one, get one free. And so I grabbed one for my account because free is free. Free is for me. All right, grabbing the sourdough pasta. I think I had this on my account for Social Nature. So you're going to grab one of them, priced at $4.79. You'll get that back through Social Nature. There's also $1 back on Ibotta as well, making this a $1 moneymaker. I love when we get deals on produce. And so this deal here is on the Sun-Kissed oranges, either the blood red ones or the Cora Cora ones. I grabbed the Cora Cora ones because it was more in the bag, I guess. Those are priced at $5.99. You'll get that back through Social Nature. I'm making this absolutely free. All right, and so this next deal here is on the wild protein chips. Now, I did do this at Target. They sent me a text for another offer for a free bag, and so I went ahead and grabbed one at $5.49. I did get that back through aisle, making this absolutely free. I was so excited about this deal here. It's on the Milton's Pizza. They are priced at $12.99. We have a free digital that you can clip from the app. I went ahead and grabbed one for each of my accounts, making them both free. All right, so this deal here is on my Cookie Pal. This is a free offer on WeStock. So you're gonna grab one of them at $3.50. You'll get that back, making this absolutely free. All right, so last but not least, this is probably one of my favorite deals. I did see My Best Deals share this in her last video. And so it's on the Molly Suds. We're grabbing the powder, which is priced at $17.99, along with the liquid, which is priced at $24.99. So you're going to pay $42.98 out of pocket. It's a high out of pocket. I know it hurt. But you will be getting back $21.48 from Social Nature. That was 50% back for both of them. We'll also be getting back a buy one, get one free offer on WeStock, which is $17.99. And then last but not least, we'll get back a buy one, get one 50% off, which is $8.99 for aisle. It'll end up making this a $5.89 money maker, which I thought was pretty awesome. Now, I did have to send a picture of the items for the aisle offer because it couldn't read it on the receipt. And so, yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, y'all. Let me brighten this a little bit because it's a little dark. All right, y'all. So here is my complete haul for today. This worked out pretty good. I was surprised. I found more than I expected to find at Sprouts. And I think that's the thing about Sprouts. It's one of those stores where things are gonna most likely be where you would expect them to be in the store. But if you can't find something, it's like you gotta go around and check all the end caps, because I feel like they throw a lot of stuff on the end caps, or that one area that's like new things here. And so I was happy that I did find more than I expected to find, which is pretty good. I wasn't sure if I was gonna do the Molly Suds only because it's a high out of pocket. I was stuck between that one and the everyday dose as well. But I was like, hopefully everything will go through. Okay, I am still waiting for everything to hit. Nothing has hit yet, but all the aisle offers are processed, which is good. Which, yeah, that's good. I think I did have an issue with the Molly's Suds like My Best Deals did. It said something about we can't find the item on the receipt. When that happens, I normally just send them a picture of the items. I did that, and then it said 24 to 48 hours or whatever it tells you. And so hopefully that will come through okay. I wish I had remembered I had oranges for free at Sprouts, because I literally just went to Aldi and got oranges yesterday. And so I'm gonna be eating the heck out of some oranges. What else? Adding the soft baked cookies, that was at Grocery Outlet. They have since excluded that store, but I am still including that. And I also grabbed more of the Function of Beauty as well. I think for my weekend, I'm at like 7. I had 7. I got extra credit for the Snack Mates. I only got 2, but 3 went through. And then I had an any receipt, and then I had the pasta. So I had 3, 4, 5 offers. So I'm at 12. So I'll probably see if I can get 3 more offers tomorrow. See if I can hit that. But I told y'all these kind of hauls, dealing with the what would you even call them? Manufacturer rebate companies, places, restock aisle, Social Nature. It's because it's all that out of pocket. Then you gotta sit there and you gotta be patient and wait for them to pay you. That I don't like. And so anyway, y'all, I'm gonna try to make this quick. So with that being said, I left my receipts upstairs. Darn it. With that being said, everything you see here retails $163. Oh, I forgot. I did field agent. I did Subway yesterday, and tell me I was so excited about that Subway. I tried the protein wrap and it was really good, and it was actually the Subway that was really close to me. So I was like, okay, I see you, field agent. You paying for my lunch today? Okay. It was $3.99, and then they pay you $3. So I got back $6.99 for that, which was pretty cool. I did, let me see, I want to say four field agent jobs for this. And so that was $20.90 from field agent, which is pretty cool. I feel like I've been slowing down with the field agent jobs though, because I be getting lazy. I just be wanting to get in and get out of the store. I don't be trying to go in and take pictures. And if I can't get jobs in the morning to like early afternoon, I usually just don't. I just pass. But I do definitely want to keep checking it for like buy and try offers. And so yeah, so that being said, everything you see here retails $163.11. I had $25.98 in coupons. I did do the pizza twice. I did it on both my accounts for Sprouts, which is cool. And I still have the other one in the freezer right now, y'all. Well, I can't cook nothing because I ain't got an oven. But anyways, the out of pocket is $137.13. Social Nature $56.25. Aisle $40.46. We Stock $21.49. Field Agent $20.99. Ibotta $20.60. I did go ahead and cash out this week for Brandclub, which was $9.65. PayPal was just $4.54. I'm gonna try to get in the habit of cashing out PayPal at least once a week instead of letting it just sit there, because it's like, why let the money just sit there? It makes no sense to me. I don't want no money to sit nowhere. If it's gonna sit somewhere, it's gonna sit in my pocket. So PayPal was $4.54, and then Merryfield was $3.72. I haven't used Merryfield in forever, but I used it today. And so getting back a total of $177.70. It's gonna make everything you see here free plus $40.57, which is pretty awesome, considering I didn't even really do nothing at Walmart. And so I'm excited about this haul. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. Made it to the end. I want to see popcorn emoji in the comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.